Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
I was having another thought earlier about the importance of being clear about this year. Where are you going? In fact, any year. If you find yourself in the middle of June, any year, wondering how the year's gone, wondering, have you been at your best? How much time have you spent wisely? How much time have you spent unwisely? Even if that's a word, actually. It's a good time to stop before you reach the July halftime point. That moment in the year where you officially start the second half of the year. In most sports, whether they play halves or quarters, or even have the luxury of taking timeouts, they're able to stop, adjust their tactics, change the strategy, play in a different way in order to get a different result. Now, some people, you might be listening to this thinking, I've had a pretty good first half of the year and I'm really happy. And you may just want to sustain or do more of certain things to keep where you've got to. And if you're like many people, you might be finding half a year to go, lots of bank holidays, lots of time off, lots of vacations. It's time to crank it up once again and to recenter yourself and make sure the things that are in your focus for the second half are only what they should, and that's a word in itself we should debate, could or maybe. It's up to you. So let's take a moment in the rest of June, any year, and in particularly this one, and decide what's in the second half for you in the rest of the calendar year. Are they the right things? Are they the things you've always wanted to do this year? Or do you need to make some adjustments?
Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.